In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the Google account password. And this is very easy, so we are going to start right away. So what we want to do is we basically want to have Google opened up and click on our profile picture at the top right corner. Once you click on it, you basically want to click on manage your Google account. And this will load up all your settings of your Google account. And we want to click on personal info right here. And if we scroll a bit down, we can see password right here. And we basically want to click on it and wait this to load up. And right here, you can, if you just know your password but you want to change it, you can enter your password first and then just change it. Or if you totally forgot it, you can just click on forgot password and yeah, that will just yeah, you can just reset it from there on out. But this is very straightforward, and yeah, that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.